Hello, in front of me I've got Dragon HD Veilguard. In this video I'll show you combat tutorial. Firstly, we've got the light attack. Use it by pressing left mouse button once. To perform strong attack, press and hold left button once. To block, press Q button. Press right mouse button. To use your special attack, press Q. To use skills, press buttons from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Skills are located right here. In the end, you can dodge by pressing space. If you want to lock on your opponent, press middle mouse button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.